To many, the word Bronco defines a capable, feel-good fun machine that can be found in all the places we'd rather be, from the mountains and the woods to the beaches and the dunes. And classics like this professionally restored 1974 Bronco resto-mod are an excellent reminder why. Completed in January of 2020, the Rotisserie rebuild was a 2.5-year affair that reached well into six-figure territory. Over 2,000 hours of labor began with a full blast of the truck's body. Then, Glasurit 2-stage manifests as a fitting combination of flaked midnight blue and pearled Wimbledon White. Inside, you'll find an airy cockpit that features glowing white upholstery. The seats face a dash that's augmented with factory heat and vintage-style gauges. And lift the hood to reveal a 306 cubic inch V8 from Blueprint engines that's backed by a smooth 4-speed automatic. Functional and hard-working, this choice Bronco is a fun classic that can easily earn its keep. It's professionally restored, it features a proven Ford drivetrain, and best of all, its retro-chic aesthetics are sure to cue smiles and inspire stares. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.